This is my video submission for EGR226 homework 11. Controlling a motor over PWM via an analog input. So I start off by including my LCD library from a different lab. And declare some variables, run through some initializations for the LCD. Then I set up PA1 as an analog input from my potentiometer. And I set up ADC1 to convert that analog input to a digital signal. It's using 12-bit resolution, right aligned. And then I configure PA5 as an output to drive my optocoupler, which closes the circuit for the motor based on the signal going across PA5. The PA5 signal is controlled by timer 2, channel 1. I'm pre-scaling it by 19. And I have my ARR set to 10,000, and we're in mode PWM mode 1, and I initialize my CCR1 value as 0 so that the motor doesn't start right away. In my while 1 loop, we convert the signal. We wait for the status register to tell us it's completed. And then we scale that conversion result here to the the reference voltage, which is 3.3. Here I'm just printing a string to my LCD on the first line. I calculate my duty cycle by dividing the result by the reference voltage. I created a speed variable, which is the duty cycle times the ARR value plus 1. And then I set timer to CCR1 equal to speed. So I'm updating that CCR1 value, which changes my duty cycle. I'm using this sprintf function to convert my duty cycle float to a string with 3 decimal points, and then I'm printing that string on the second line centered. So this is what my setup looks like. I'm going to run my program. Start off 0. Motor takes off, go up to full duty cycle, turn it back down, and that's it.